Hello, welcome to Smart Start Learn in Live. Today we will learn about changes around us. Our today's objectives are: what is change, natural and man-made change, permanent and temporary change, fast and slow change, desirable and non-desirable change, physical and chemical change. Many changes happen around us, like seeds grow into plant, rolling up into chapati, occurrence of day and night, blooming of flower. Now, what is change? We can define it as an act by which a thing form become different than its previous self. For example, when ice melts, it changes into water. Natural changes and man-made changes. Natural changes are the changes which happens mainly due to the natural factors with humans having no control over it. Some of the examples of natural changes are environmental changes, natural calamities, volcanoes, land degradation, hurricanes, ripening of fruit. Man-made changes. Man-made changes are changes that are made by human and it never obtained naturally in the part of world. Some of the example of man-made changes are pollution, boiling of water, cooking food, making furniture, etc. Difference between natural change and man-made change. Natural change, the change mainly happened due to natural factor. Man-made change, the change that made by human act and cannot obtain by natural way. Natural change cannot control. Man-made change can control according to one's requirement. Example of natural change are aging of living beings, conversion of rock into soil. Example of man-made changes are cutting wood, cooking food, making utensil with alloy. Permanent changes and temporary changes. Permanent changes. Permanent changes are those changes which are done for a long period or fixed changes and remain for a longer time and are not reversible like chemical change. Some of example of permanent changes are burning of coal, digestion of food, rusting of iron. Here we see the example of permanent changes. Temporary changes. The changes which are there only for short period of time. Generally, temporary changes are reversible. Some example are melting of ice, lighting of electric bulb, heating an iron rod. Here is the example of temporary changes. Difference between permanent change and temporary change. Permanent change, the change for long period or fixed changes are remain for long time. The changes for short time is called temporary changes. Permanent changes not reversible like chemical change. Temporary changes are reversible. Example of permanent change are burning of coal, rusting of iron, etc. Example of temporary changes are melting of ice, lighting of electric bulb, etc. Fast changes and slow changes. Fast changes. These are changes that occur quickly in short time period. Example, burning of matchstick, bursting of balloon. Slow changes. These are changes that occur slowly over a long time period. Example, growth of nails, rusting of iron. Desirable changes and non-desirable or undesirable changes. Desirable changes. Desirable changes are those changes which we want to occur. These changes are useful for us. For example, ripening of fruits, germination of seeds, change in season, rain bring water to the crops, change of milk to curd, seedling into a plant. Non-desirable or undesirable changes. Those changes which we do not want to take place. For example, rusting of iron, souring of milk, rotting of fruit and vegetables, global warming, rain causing destruction by flood. Difference between desirable and undesirable changes. Desirable changes brought about by nature or man, which produce useful or good result. Change brought about by nature or man, which produce useless or bad results, called undesirable changes. Example of desirable changes are rain bring water to the crop, change of milk to curd, ripening of fruit, seedling into a plant. Example of undesirable changes are rain causing destruction by flooding, milk turning sour on a hot day, rotting of fruit, cutting of tree. Periodic changes and non-periodic changes. Periodic changes. Changes which occur periodically or at regular intervals, called periodic changes. For example, change of season, day and night, changing phase of moon, beating of heart. Non-periodic changes. The changes which do not occur at fixed or regular interval of time. They do not occur periodically. For example, occurrence of earthquake, solar eclipse, raining, thunder and storm, the change in weather, melting of ice. Difference between periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic changes which occur periodically at regular interval of time. Non-periodic changes which occur non-periodically at irregular interval of time. Example of periodic changes are changes of season, movement of clock. Example of non-periodic changes are changes of weather, growth of plant. Reversible changes and irreversible changes. Reversible changes. It is a chemical change where no new materials are created and the original material can be recovered. Example of reversible changes are freezing of water to make ice, melting of chocolate. Irreversible changes. An irreversible change in when something cannot be changed back to its original form. In many irreversible changes, new materials and substance are formed. For example, vinegar and bicarbonate of soda are mixed, the mixture changes and lots of bubble of carbon dioxide are made. And other example is burning. Difference between reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible changes that are temporary, which can be reversed by changing the condition. Irreversible changes that are permanent and cannot be reversed. Example of reversible changes are melting of ice, pulling of rubber band, folding of paper. Example of irreversible changes are burning of paper, curding of milk, and rusting of iron. Physical changes and chemical changes. Physical changes. Physical changes only change the appearance of substance, not its chemical composition. This result in a difference in display without changing the composition. Some common changes are texture, color, temperature, shape, change of state. Chemical changes. A chemical changes occur when the substance's composition is changed. When bonds are broken and new ones are formed, a chemical change occurs. The following are indicators of chemical changes: change in temperature, change in color, noticeable odor after reaction has begun, formation of precipitation, formation of bubbles. Difference between physical and chemical change. Physical change in which no new substance is formed. Chemical change, the change in which new substance is formed. Physical change possessing same properties as that of original one. Chemical change possesses different properties from original one. Physical changes take place in physical state of substance. Chemical changes take place in chemical state of substance. Example of physical changes are cutting, bending, dissolving, freezing, boiling, and melting. Example of chemical changes are burning of paper and log of food, digestion of food, boiling an egg, chemical battery usage, electroplating of metal. There are some more changes occurring in some material, such as expansion of material. Expansion of material takes place when the material get heated. When the material is heated, its particles get loosen up and expand the substance, as shown in figure. The property of metal is used while making agriculture tool. While making such tool, first heat the metal part, then fix the wooden handle in it. Again, it is used for cart wheel making. In this process, metal rim is heated and put on wooden wheel and fixed it. One more property some materials are showing, that is contraction of material. Contraction of material is the process in which cooling of material tighten the particle or come closer, and therefore the substance contract or shrink. That means on heating material expand and on cooling it shrink. To overcome problem arises by such properties are gaps are kept while building railway track, long bridge, metal bridge, cement road and flyover. Such gaps are called expansion gaps.